Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420i M Sport Gran Coupe here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I show you some of the major talking points and features. Then of course we'll go around, I'll take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will go through some of the interior features as well. So this vehicle, as you can see, is presented in the fantastic carbon Schwarz metallic, and alongside that it is a 2019 plate, so we do have the facelift. Also, you will see the vehicle has been fitted with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside having the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. And there you can see they work very nicely with this carbon Schwarz metallic. At the front, you'll see those very nice facelifted front lights, and of course I'll point out all of the facelift tweaks as we go around. Down the side of the vehicle, we've got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance stickers. The vehicle also comes with privacy glass, and we'll go ahead and take a glance at the interior, which for this vehicle once again is the very nice black Dakota leather, which comes with both heated and the electric lumbar options. The interior trim is the aluminum hexagon with estriol blue accents. It is the 420i with the 181 brake horsepower, and it has the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which of course is always very popular between the two engine and gearbox combination. Isofix rear bench with the centerfold armrest and the lovely black M Sport headlining. Again, just show you how nicely presented these alloy wheels are and how well they really do suit and sit on the 4 Series Gran Coupe. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, where again a nice facelift tweak is the very striking rear lights. Alongside that, a high gloss rear spoiler along with the Mperformance style ferric grey diffuser. We'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals the exceedingly large boot space. And as you can see there, we've also got the genuine BMW floor mats which will accompany the vehicle. And of course, you can further make this space even larger owing to the fact you do get the split folding seat option. There is also underfloor storage and storage to the left and right hand side. Whilst that's closing down, I'm going to head round to the other side of the car just to show you again the presentation of this vehicle. And again, thanks to the sun shining through, we've got a very nice glimpse at how well this paint colour is. So the carbon black, that's what is officially known as, or carbon Schwarz metallic. Sometimes in certain lights it will look blue and some lights it will look black. However, either way, it is a very nice looking car, and I will try and give you a glimpse of that. So if you look now at the front wing in sort of a darker light condition, you'll see more of a black as opposed to the darker navy blue. Moving on into the interior, as there is yet more special features on these very nice vehicles, particularly this one of course, with some very nice options. We've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll go through a couple of features of that, but first of all, starting with the service requirements. As you can see, everything is currently in green and the vehicle's not due a service for 14,000 miles. Being that it has got that 8-speed automatic gearbox, we get these lovely flappy pedals on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Cruise control, the speed limiter function, voice and volume controls also situated on there. The vehicle itself has covered just over 19,000 miles, so again another nice low mileage example. If it will focus in, there we go. Okay, so a couple more features of the professional wide media and nav screen. As you can see there, you can of course have it split screen, however the default setting is everything in nice wide view. Bluetooth, audio, telephone, and of course a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB. Dual climate control, which is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats, and of course lovely ice cold air conditioning, which is essential for these warmer temperatures we're all experiencing at the moment. Front and rear parking sensors, and of course not to forget the performance mode select, which is controlled just using this little rocker switch down here. So we've got Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and of course Eco Pro, which is all a nice way of changing up how this stunning vehicle drives. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this walk around video. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find down below in the description all of the relevant contact information, and of course links to this vehicle on our website should you require any further information on pricing and of course finance options, should that be suitable for your purchase of this vehicle. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. We hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.